Hello everyone! For this video, we will be cooking embutido. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs, then beat it. After, in a big bowl, mix the ground pork and egg. Then, when it is already mixed together, add garlic and onions. After, add salt and pepper to taste. If you want, you can also add garlic powder. I forgot to take a video, but please don't forget to add red bell pepper and carrots. Then lastly, add a pickle relish. When the meat is ready, grab an aluminum foil, then put some meat to the aluminum foil and flatten it. Then add some hot dog, ham, boiled egg, and cheese on top. Then roll it. After, put it in a steamer and steam it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, get the embutido from the steamer and slice it. Tada! Embutido is now ready. Serve it and enjoy!